In this video, I'm going to show you my exact strategy to make over $100,000 from HyperEVM Airdrop. So this is an airdrop guide for HyperEVM, Hyperliquid's new layer 1 chain. So first of all, you're going to need a Hyperliquid account. I will leave links to everything down in the description below. Once you're on Hyperliquid and you've connected your wallet, you will need Hype tokens. Now the way to do this, if you've already got some Ethereum in your wallet, you're going to need to use a bridge. There are many different bridges out there that you can use, but I recommend that you use HyperSwap. So head over to HyperSwap, again, link will be down in the description. Head over to the bridge section and bridge your Ethereum over to Hype. Doing this will give you Hype directly on the HyperEVM chain, because we're going to want to have funds on chain for everything that we're going to be doing. But you will also need Hype spot in your Hyperliquid account too. So to do that, you can use Unit. This is HyperUnit, one of the most popular protocols on Hyperliquid. And come on over to deposit your Ethereum and check the two boxes and then click continue. You can see I've already deposited quite a lot of Ethereum and some Bitcoin over to Hyperliquid already. You can see my Unit spot balance up here. We want to be using Unit a lot because Unit, being one of the main protocols, are going to give us a big airdrop. So we're going to want to bridge over a lot of funds over to Hyperliquid using Unit and all of the other protocols in this video. So once you've done that, it doesn't take too long. You will see it completed at the bottom here. Once it's got about 14 confirmations, you will then head over to your Hyperliquid account, click on portfolio, and then click on balances. And you can see here, I've got my Bitcoin balance, my Ethereum, USDC on perps, and my Hype balance. Now that you have Hype on Hyperliquid exchange, what you can do is you can simply click this transfer to and from EVM. And this way you can swap between having Hype on the Hyperliquid exchange and having Hype on your HyperEVM chain. But firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to this staking tab. Now, once we're here, we're going to click on spot to staking balance transfer. And we're going to swap some Hype over from our spot balance over to our staking balance. I've already done this multiple times, but for the sake of this video, I will transfer one Hype, confirm in your wallet, and now you will see available to stake your balance here. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose the Nansen and Hyper Collective. This, in my opinion, is the best validator to stake with because it's a double whammy. It's going to also earn you Nansen points as well as Hyper points. So this one is the best one to get into, in my opinion. You can see that I've already staked 15 Hype with this validator. Simply click on it, select max and stake. The total lockup period is 1 day, so your funds will be locked for 1 day. After that, you can withdraw at any moment. But of course, we are farming the airdrop here, so we just want to leave this in here staking. And the strategy that I'm going to give you today for this airdrop farming is a delta neutral position, which means we are going to have maximum exposure to the HyperEVM ecosystem and we are not taking much risk at all. And I'm going to show you exactly how we do that, how we farm all of these points across all of the different protocols, and we're going to get a juicy airdrop without having to overexpose ourselves and have too much risk. So follow along, stick through to the end of this video. So now that we have Hype staked, we also want to head on over to the vaults. Now the vaults are split into two sections, protocol vaults and user vaults. Essentially the user vaults are vaults that users have set up whereby you can deposit your funds into the vault, and these users that own the vault, they are doing all the trading and you will get a percentage of the profits. You can look through these user vaults, you can click on them and you can see the past 30 days, how well the vault has performed, and you can read a bit about their strategy here and you can see your stats there. However, the main thing we're going to be doing is depositing into Hyperliquidity provider HLP vault. This is Hyperliquid's very own vault. Okay, you can see it's got the biggest TVL, $374 million in TVL, and the past month it's done 18% APR. So this is a very stable return, steady investment, and you can get a very stable return on your investment by investing in this one. You can see the past 30 days it's been continuous up and to the right, and the all-time looks exactly the same. So this is a fairly low risk, safe investment. Of course, it's Hyperliquid's own vault. Essentially, because Hyperliquid is a liquidity provider and a market maker, they are constantly doing all of the trades you see here, constantly trading, constantly market making. So providing them liquidity, you are helping them do that, and you are going to get a share of the fees that they make. So you can see this is a community owned vault that provides liquidity to Hyperliquid through multiple market making strategies, performs liquidations, and accrues platform fees. So this is a very safe investment to make, literally the safest that you could make on Hyperliquid. So you can see I've already made $1 through depositing $500 with them, and that was just in the past few days. So now you have some hype staked and you already have some hype in the Hyperliquidity vault. What we can now do is move on to bridging. So as I said, you want to bridge over from Unit. You also want to bridge some funds over from HyperSwap bridge. And you also want to use HyBridge. Okay, so we want to hit all three of these bridges because all three of them offer points. All three of them are the main protocols on Hyper EVM. So we want to make sure that we're putting volume through all of these different bridges, right? The main one that I've used is Unit and HyperSwap, and I've used some on HyBridge as well. So you want to make sure you're hitting all three, because the way that we farm airdrops is you need to be pushing volume through all the different protocols. That's how it works. It's just hitting all of the different protocols and pushing volume through them and being an active trader, being an active user across all the different protocols, right? We want to make sure that we're fully involved in the ecosystem, and therefore we're going to get a nice airdrop in the ecosystem for our activity. So we want to bridge through all of these different protocols. You can just set an amount. So say you're going to airdrop farm with 200 hype. You can just split it evenly across all these different bridges. Now, once we've bridged across through all of these different bridges, we want to get some staked hype. So we're already staking some hype on Hyperliquid, but we want the staked hype token. So we're going to come on over to HyperB. Again, links to everything will be down in the description below. And we're going to stake some hype. So I've already done this. You can see that I have 25 staked hype. So you can stake your hype in here. Just type in the amount of hype and you will receive staked hype. Very simple. Click stake. Very easy to do. Done. Once we've done that, we want to come on over to HyperFy. Simply connect your wallet. The same one that you're using for Hyperliquid, you want to be using for all of these different protocols. Make sure it is the same wallet, because we want to be accruing points on that same wallet that we're going to be receiving the airdrop to. So now that we're on HyperFy, we are going to supply our staked hype. So you can see I've deposited some staked hype, and I've also deposited some Bitcoin as well. And you can also then borrow hype. So you deposit staked hype, you can deposit whatever currencies you like. They've got Bitcoin, they've got some stable coins, Ethereum. Of course, it's going to need to be on chain. That's why I bridged over my Bitcoin. So once you've done that and you've deposited some staked hype, you then want to borrow some hype. Okay, so make sure you deposit and you borrow. You want to do both of those two actions. And you can see points also here. So all of these have points that you're going to be earning simply by doing these things. Next, come on over to HyperLend. Now on HyperLend, we want to do the exact same thing. Supply hype. You can also, if you want, supply staked hype, and I've also supplied some Bitcoin. You don't have to do this, but just make sure that you supply some hype. Okay, so supply some hype there, and that's all you need to do. You can also borrow again if you want. The more actions that we do on these sites and the more volume that we push through these sites, the more points we're going to earn, which means the bigger the airdrop. And again, as a bonus, you can also collect points by completing some of these tasks along here. Next, what we can also do is we can use Felix to lend stablecoins. So you can deposit in stablecoins. They've got USDE and USDT0. I've been using USDT0. You can see I've deposited $200 worth, and that's 12% APY. So by supplying our hype, our stake type, and these stable coins, we are earning money on that. We are earning fees from doing that. So yes, we may have bought a lot of hype token, but we are also earning money through depositing on all of these different protocols. And we are earning points that are then going to give us a big juicy airdrop. So we want to make sure that we're spread across the whole ecosystem. So you can also use stables and supply that here using Felix. Now, another thing that you can do on HyperSwap is come on over to the pools and you can provide liquidity. So I've gone into this one, Felix USD and USDT 0. So you can just click on explore, head on over to concentrate liquidity and search for Phi USD. And I'm in this one, powered by Felix, Phi USD, USDT 0. And you can see the APR is quite good, 13%. And the daily fees, you can see their TVL and the volume. This one's good because they're in a tight range, because they're just two different stable coins. So literally no risk on this one, and you're going to be earning fees from doing it. So that's a great way that you can also earn points, is by having a LP position. Now for bonus points, what you can also do is use app.hl names, which is Hyperliquid names. Just like you have .eth domains, this is .hl domains for Hyperliquid. Of course, as Hyperliquid and the Hyper EVM chain becomes more and more popular, people are going to want these domain names. People are going to want to have a name on chain, right? So you can simply search for whatever name you want. Let's say your name is that. So there's not been an auction for this yet. So that's quite a good sign. It means you can be the first to bid. So simply click first bid. And the minimum bid is 1 hype. And the auction will go on for 31 hours. And if nobody bids 1.1 hype any more than you've bid, you are going to win that name. So it might be a good idea to grab a few of these. I've already grabbed two. I've grabbed two. I've grabbed my own name, and I've grabbed hashbulla.hl. So yeah, I won this auction. Somebody created the auction for 1. I bid 1.1 when it had an hour left, and nobody bid after me. So I won this one. I own hashbulla.hl. So you can grab a few of those if you want to. This is just a bonus, but I think it will be quite a good addition to the airdrop potentially. And as another bonus, you could also grab some Hyperliquid NFTs. You can do that using drip.trade. If you head on over to drip.trade, you will see all of the trending NFT collections. This one being the most popular at the moment. You can sort it by floor price. And you can see the volume and all the stats there. I haven't picked up any of these just yet, but I am looking to maybe grab a few. Obviously, it's very early days, so we don't know how these collections are going to perform long term. But yeah, it may be a good idea if you've got some spare change just to pick up a couple. Lastly, what we're going to do to make this a delta neutral position, because so far we are very bullish on hype. We have bought a lot of hype and we are staking it, we are lending it and borrowing it on all these different protocols. What we are going to do is we are going to take our remaining hype, which should be anywhere from minimum half to close to how much hype we've used across all of these different protocols, and we are going to take a short. So we are going to place a 1x short, very, very low leverage, the lowest that we can do, 1x. I am on isolated, and yeah, just a 1x short with the remaining hype. So you can see my position here. And the reason we want to do this is because we are very bullish on hype through staking it, buying it on all those different protocols, lending it, and we've got a lot of hype exposure. We want to offset that by having a short position open, just in case price comes down, which as you can see, since I began farming, you can see the price has come down, which isn't a problem because we are bullish on hype long term. But you can see that means I'm also earning a profit, and I'm also earning in funding because the majority of people are bullish on the ecosystem. By shorting, you are earning money through funding. Through having a short position open, you will be paid simply for having that position open. So that's a very nice way to collect some money. And if price stays down or comes down further, I will also profit from that. So that is the way that we're going to build a delta neutral position, and we are going to farm $100,000 or more worth of Hyper EVM airdrop. I truly believe that if you follow this guide and you bridge over with size and hit all the different verticals of the Hyper EVM ecosystem by trading across all of these different protocols, I genuinely believe that that is very much possible. I've also wrote my exact strategy over on Twitter, so if you like, I can also put that in the pinned comment below if you want a readable version. I also have other videos on Hyperliquid, Hyper EVM, how to buy Hype, how to stake Hype and such, but I believe I covered that in the video, but if you do need more detail, I do have some other videos. So if you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like rating, comment if you've got any questions. Are you already farming on Hyper EVM, and what protocols are you farming points on? I believe I've hit all of the main ones, so if there are any others that you guys have found, please let me know. And subscribe if you want to see more crypto content like this.